was a day of role play. In a previous video, you saw me playing the role of an IT infrastructure services team member, creating a blueprint, enabling my counterparts in application development to stay true to their mission. In this video, I'm going to put on another hat. I'm going to play the role of a staff member in that application development group, and I'm going to show you how I can take advantage of the blueprint that's been created for me to provision infrastructure, enabling me to get my work done much quicker, much more efficiently, and without having to continually raise tickets, if you will, with the infrastructure services team. So check this out. Hope you enjoy. In this video, I'm going to show you how we go about the process of consuming one of those blueprints in Nutanix Calm. This is the blueprint that I created in the previous video. However, I'm going to use this one to demonstrate the consumption. I'll go ahead and place a check mark next to it. In my action menu, I'm going to choose to launch it. I'm going to give this application a name. And I'm going to fill in those mandatory fields. So we said first field would be the username. This could be anything that the developer chooses, but in this case we're going to use Nutanix. And then we also need to fill in the public key. Now what we want to do is have our developers create secure methods for logging in. So with that as a model, we're going to go ahead and create a new key pair here. All right, we'll use SSH keygen. We'll create a RSA key type, a bit length of 4096. I'm going to write the file to my home directory under the .ssh direct folder, and we're going to specify a comment equivalent to the user logging in with the credential. Go ahead and create that. We will overwrite it, no problem. No passphrase, and now that's been created. What we'll do now is go ahead and copy that public key to the clipboard, and then we'll paste that in to the public key field here. Additionally, I want to take that private key and I want to paste it in here so that as the Calm process goes through to validate the deployment, it can do so with a successful authentication. So we'll copy that to the clipboard, paste it in as well. And with those things set, I can go about the creation of my application. And you can see that the process is now underway. Takes, I don't know, 5 to 7 minutes maybe. You can monitor the progress here on the Audit tab, and you can expand each of these nuggets to get a really cool visual of how the process is unfolding. But that's it. It's just that simple to consume blueprints created in Nutanix Calm. We can get more details on each step of the way here by expanding All right, you can see that the provisioning process has completed. The login checks are succeeding, and the application provisioning continues. And here in just a few more seconds, we should see the completion, and then our application status move from provisioning to running. All right, all services started and our application is now running. Get an overview of our services here, along with the associated cost metrics, and we are now good to go. Hey there, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that, please take a moment to click the like button, hit subscribe, and click the bell so that you get notified anytime I post new videos. Thank you for taking some of your time to explore the content on the channel. I hope you're having a great day, and you'll see me in the next one.